Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this is video number 755. We're on our way to 1,000 here. We're demonstrating a radio out of a 73 Mustang. This comes from Claude in Kakuna, Quebec. That's in Canada, of course. Thank you so much for your international business, Claude. And Claude has requested the modern internal conversion with Bluetooth wired to the original connectors, which, since this is just a 2-speaker radio, you don't get 4 speaker outputs. It's got the left and right speaker, power, dial light, and that's it. And of course, you don't get that huge increase in output power with the original connectors. So anyway, I've got her set up. I've got it set to AM at the moment, so let's just go ahead and do that.
Launched on Riyadh.
That's the one strong station we get on the AM band. So while we've got it here, let's just make sure our balance control works.
The same light as the last administration.
Balance left. Balance right.
In part rightfully
left.
So, about the atrocities that happened with Khashoggi and
center the speakers.
Negative aspects.
Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
And you do that by giving the volume control 2 turns upward, and it's hard to hear the lady with the volume control when you turn it back down, so you got to turn it back up so you can hear her saying it's ready to pair. Let's go ahead and switch to FM. We do that by turning the unit off, then right back on within about half a second. So here we go, off, on. Okay, now we're on FM. We don't need these anymore. Let's just run down the dial here, make sure we pick up some FM stations.
Irish bassoonist qualifying Arizona chair.
Life was exciting.
The order program.
You without actually screaming.
2022 Chevy.
Wow.
I've got to stop.
Infectious music, uplifting.
Amy, walk through the door.
Okay, so I counted about 22 FM stations that came in clearly. Let's go ahead and pop in some Neil Sedek here. Test the 8-track. Now you'll notice this has my new preamp, and the head on this unit is in really good shape, so it's very, very bright sounding. On newer tapes, you might actually end up turning the tone control down so it doesn't sound so harsh. But on an old tape, you're going to want that extra treble. So this is a very flexible machine as far as playing new and old tapes. Okay, let's go ahead and change tracks a bunch of times. We get the end of a song here. Okay, pull the tape out. Radio comes back. Let's test the dial light. Yep, I can just see that thing flashing on and off in response to my commands. So she's ready to go back. We got AM, FM 8-track, and Bluetooth went into pairing mode, so we're all cool. She's ready to go back, and I'm ready to get to my next video. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you've just seen what I can do to your old AM 8-track. You know, we can add FM, Bluetooth, USB, aux input, HD radio, and who knows by the time you're ready to send your unit in what other features may be available by then. So my website and phone number are in the description below. Please visit my website before calling me. That's a pretty strict rule around here. Otherwise, I'm spending all my time answering the same questions over and over, and I don't have time to get the work done. So please visit the website first. Thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Claude, for your business all the way from Quebec, Canada, and we'll see you guys next time.